While other compact luxury crossovers take a sporty approach, the 2024 Lexus RX takes a smooth ride and relaxed demeanor. The cabin is roomy for both people and cargo, but if you're looking for a third row of seats, the new TX SUV replaces the elongated RXL. You'll have to look at. While not as sporty as it looks, the RX500h F Sport Performance is at least the most exciting variant of the RX SUV. Unfortunately, it is very expensive. It's a mid-range model with added luxuries like a larger 14.0-inch infotainment display, leather upholstery, ambient interior lighting and more. The 2024 RX is available with at least 4 different powertrains, starting with the base RX350 model powered by a 275 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This model comes standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive is also an option. The hybrid RX350h combines electric motors with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine to produce 246 horsepower and comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and all-wheel drive system. Upgrading to the RX500h F Sport Performance unlocks a stronger powertrain. It combines electric power with a turbocharged 2.4-liter to produce 367 horsepower and uses Lexus Direct 4 system to direct that power to all 4 wheels. With the RX500h, Lexus took the opportunity to reshape the new RX as a performer, but the chassis engineers unfortunately chose not to look for additional confidence in cornering. The plug-in hybrid model RX450h Plus features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 3 electric motors and standard all-wheel drive. The RX450h Plus carries an 18.1 kWh battery pack that can be charged in just over 2 hours with a 240-volt connection. This battery is said to offer up to 35 miles of electric driving range per charge. The EPA's data shows that the most efficient RX model is the RX350h, which claims 37 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. The RX500h is said to be good for 27 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, while the non-hybrid RX350 scored 22 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive models. The RX is only offered as a 2-row, 5-seater SUV. The interior of the RX is more modern than the last generation model, with textured fabric sections on the upper door panels, rich-looking ambient lighting and open-pore wood trim on the RX350 models. The RX500h F Sport Performance features more heavily reinforced front seats, black interior trim, steering wheel-mounted derailleurs and aluminum pedals. The luggage space behind the second-row seats is quite large, so there's plenty of room for a large amount of groceries or a few suitcases on the go. A 9.8-inch infotainment touchscreen is parked right in the middle of the RX redesigned instrument cluster. A larger 14.0-inch screen is optional. Like the smaller NX SUV, the RX infotainment screen is angled slightly towards the driver and uses Lexus' latest software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, but features such as navigation, head-up display, and Mark Levinson stereo are optional.